This is the new Pixel Watch 4. It's got a great new design with a 10% larger display and some great new AI features powered by Gemini. Let's take a deeper look. The Pixel Watch 4 has an all-new design with a dome screen that's 10% larger than before, and its brightest display yet at 3000 nits. The Pixel Watch 3 peaked at 2000 nits, so this should be even better in sunlight, while retaining the 1 nit minimum brightness, keeping it less distracting in darker environments. On top of that, we're getting new watch faces and an updated interface that will make it easier to see what's on your wrist at a glance, as well as a stronger speaker and haptic feedback when interacting with Gemini.
With a high of 88 degrees Fahrenheit and mostly sunny skies, wear light, comfortable clothing.
Inside, the Snapdragon W5 Gen 2 is not only 25% faster, but it's more efficient, making the most out of the 455 mAh battery. Google claims that the 41mm model will last up to 30 hours on a single charge, while the 45mm model can last up to 40 hours. With a new quick charge dock, you can also get 50% charge in just 15 minutes on both sizes. LTE versions will also be equipped with satellite emergency communications. So, if you're out of the range of a cell phone tower, you'll still be able to call for help. The watch will send a text and your coordinates to emergency responders. And what device these days wouldn't be complete without AI? With the Pixel Watch 4, Google is using Gemini to enable particular features, such as automatic activity recognition, personalized health coach, and fitness and sleep plans. You'll also be able to use AI for smarter, contextualized replies to messages. Even better, you don't have to say, "Hey Google," to start speaking to the watch. Just raise to talk.
What are some good summer activities in New York?
Google has also improved sleep tracking to make it 18% more accurate, thanks to a new skin temperature sensor. When it comes to price and availability, the 41mm model starts at $349, and the 45mm version starts at $399. Add $100 to each if you want LTE, but you can get 2 years for free if you purchase from the Pixel Store or Best Buy. Pre-orders start August 20th, with availability set for October 9th. So the new Pixel Watch 4 has a great design that's a lot better than the predecessor, and it has better battery life too, which I can't wait to try out. I'm also interested to check out all the new AI features. It should make it a lot more useful to people on the go. So are you going to be picking up a Pixel Watch 4? Let us know in the comments. And be sure to follow us on socials at Tom's Guide. I'm Mike Prospero, and catch you next time.